Hey guys, welcome back. For this video I'll be reviewing the Morphe x James Charles, and this is their 34-piece brush set. The price of this set will be $149 and it's a value of $218 if purchased separately. The set will be available on November 13th at 8 AM Pacific Standard Time, online and in-store. As of now, I don't know if this set will also launch at Ulta or if it's exclusive to Morphe. The set comes in a customized Morphe x James Charles Mega Brush Tubby, which the tubby is available now for $20, but it's the one without the James Charles signature. I'm wondering if they will do the same as what they did with the Jaclyn Hill brushes, that they will sell the tubby separately in case you don't want to buy all the set together. So when you open up the tubby, you will get the 33 brushes individually wrapped in plastic and the highlight and contour sponge in its packaging. In this set, you get 7 face brushes and a beauty sponge. The face brushes included in this set are the M527, E4, E48, M405, the E62, which is a small synthetic angle brush that James created this for this set, and this he mentioned that it would be for nose contouring. And lastly, the M439 and the M501. So that leaves 26 brushes being for the eyes. Out of the 26 brushes, there's the M173, which can be used for either face or eyes. In the remaining 25, there's 23 brushes that have either 2 of each or 3. James said that he wanted this set to have multiple brushes, that he thought you needed more than one. The brushes that either have 2 of each or 3 are the M225, M441, M456, and this is also a brush that he created. He says that this one is a little sister of the M433. Continuing with the brushes that also have multiples are the M166, M433, M506, M431, M124, M250-1, and the final one is the M152. And you will also get an M410 and a M158. So this completes this video. I honestly only recommend this set to someone that doesn't own most of these brushes, and if you're looking into purchasing a set that has lots of eye brushes. So let me know what are your thoughts, and like always, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.